Надзорка 59.000. За сега няма никакви проблеми, се организираме така да тече без проблеми. Рапортира до Хорозар.
Оставате моментална организация.
Отводи подготвени за гранти.
Alexander, as my emergency coordinator, Venetia is working very closely with the government to support with the other UN negotiations, the civil society, the Red Cross. We have understand much better now than it used to be. There's a big improvement in the receiving aid. The government is also...
I was asking where